If you want to customize the lock screen on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, first we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we're gonna proceed to Customization, and in here we're gonna swipe to the lock screen. Now we should be able to tap on the lock screen in order to start customizing it. And we can do a couple of different things. For example, we can start with the clock. If you tap on the clock, you can change the clock style. So you can choose one of these available options. As you can see, there is quite a bit of them. There we go. We can adjust the clock size as well. And the alignment. So this can be adjusted to the left side, or we can put it into the middle of the width. We can also add widgets to the lock screen. So if you tap on this widget area, then you can choose whichever widget you want to use. However, we can only use original Nothing's widgets. Unfortunately, we cannot use third-party widgets or widgets from third-party apps. So as an example, I'm just gonna choose the screen time in here. As you can see, we also have different sizes. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. There's also limited space, but you can expand it if you want to. But this makes the clock much smaller. So there's a compromise that you have to take if you want to have more space for widgets. Of course, we can adjust the position of these widgets as well. So if you want to, you can put one widget into the middle. And besides that, here in the bottom left corner, we have our shortcuts. So you can adjust the lock screen shortcuts in here on the left and right side. Here we can also find the depth effect, which is sometimes applicable. That depends, of course, on the wallpaper itself. So if there's like a clear object that that comes onto the clock, then there is a chance that you can activate the depth effect in here. And you can also tap on the wallpaper gallery section on the left side in order to quickly change the wallpaper just for the lock screen. And once you are done with the customization, you can tap on Done in the upper right corner. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.